How you doing? Alright, here's a paper static bird, balanced bird. It's your basic straight design that you see on the website. Cut it out, fold the beak under, fold the body in half, about to halfway down, so the tail is unfolded and you can curl it like a Christmas ribbon. Fold the wings in at the body, and then you curl them a little bit as well. Put it on the stand, and there's your balanced bird. Now you take a straw and a piece of wool, and you charge the straw. Corresponding charges on the bird like the edges. They gather at the edges, which is why that's a good design. It's got nice long clean edges. And you take your charged up straw and you use it to move the bird without touching it. Now that's the whole point. Action at a distance, force field, energy having an effect on an object.